Hi everyone, this is Emmy from Expat TV, and today we're going to talk about relocation coaching and support. Now, a lot of you out there are probably of the view that I can do it myself, it's fine, I don't need any help at all. I used to be like that. There is another category of you expats out there who get some support through maybe the work that you're relocating for, or your partner's work or whatever it might be, where people help you a lot with the practical stuff like moving your boxes of all your stuff, finding you a house, helping you find maybe work on the other side, getting a good school for your children, whatever that might be. And those services are all very good and very solid, and it is a basic human need to have shelter and feel safe and secure. But the thing a lot of people forget about, and the reason that a relocation coach like myself is a really good idea, are three key things that most people forget about. First of all, we help you get clear on why you're making this move in the first place. Now, you kind of go and duh, Emmy, I already know why I'm doing this. You may not actually know deep enough why you're making this move. So the cool thing is working with a coach like me is that we mirror back to you and actually help you get really clear on what is going to be so meaningful about this move for you. Why is it going to help you and your relationship or your family? What type of an adventure is it really? Because moving overseas is a lot bigger than a lot of people give it credit for sometimes. And that's also why step number two is so important, which is the order you do things in. A lot of people would say, well, we made the decision, we're going to go now, we don't need to worry about this why thing. It actually serves a really big purpose to talk about the why a little bit before you get into the how, which is your action steps. But beyond that, under step number two, I was getting confused there. Beyond that, we help you do things in the right order, both the practical and the emotional things. Because depending on where you're going and where you're coming from, things are going to be happening in a slightly different sequence. So we can help you with things like that and kind of walking through the things that are likely to come up. For example, I know by the time you're ready to leave your home country and say goodbye to your family, that might be a really emotional thing for some people. For others, not so much. They're fine to say goodbye, wave goodbye to the new adventure, get going and all that sort of stuff, and wave goodbye to the people that they're going to leave behind. And it might not catch up with them until 6 months later, a year later, or whatever it might be, how much they actually miss the people. So that's the thing, we work through things like homesickness or relationship problems, because the other thing people don't realize is at a certain step of your move, it is quite likely, if you're moving with a partner or a family, that there will be problems coming up along the way. And I have studied this for a very long time. I've moved overseas time and time again over the last 14 years, as you'd know if you've been following the channel here. And the last thing that I really want you to remember is that there actually is a pattern to this. So a lot of people think that every single move is unique, and in a way they are. But there actually is a structure and a way of thinking that will help you regardless where you're going from and regardless where you're going to. Now, I know that might be a little bit hard to comprehend because it feels like these problems are so big. I feel like I'm the only one who has these problems. But I really, really want you to understand that there is actually a really big community out there of people just like you who have had the same problems as you did. So those are the three sort of steps. It's why are you making this move in the first place? We help you get clear on that. What are the steps you're going to take and in what order? And making sure to connect this with the bigger community that you're inevitably part of. Because you're not the first person to move from the country you're moving from to the country you move into. People have done that for hundreds and hundreds of years. I mean, imagine back in the day when they journeyed by boat all the way from Europe to Australia or whatever it was. So those are some really great reasons to work with a relocation coach like myself. And if you're curious to find out more about what specifically I do and what's included in my programs, I would really recommend you to give me a buzz, because let's just debunk all these questions. And also, if you're curious to find out about the most commonly asked questions about coaching, you can hop on my website, thebridgecoaching.com.au, and under the About section, there's a whole FAQ listed with the most common questions I usually get from my clients. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Until we meet again, happy travels.